did so many problems in my previous videos. This is also one problem from the topic time and distance. This question they asked during the year of 2020 in SBI clerk examination. A car covers a distance in 4 hours at the speed of 60 km per hour. Then, by what percent should the speed of the car be increased to cover the same distance in 2.5 hours? See the question. 4 options are also given in this problem. A car covers a distance in 4 hours. What is the speed of the car? 60 km per hour. So distance covered by the car is equal to, in 1 hour it covers 60 km. In 4 hours, 4 into 60, 240 kilometers. The distance covered by the car is 240. By what percent should the speed of the car be increased to cover the distance in 2.5 hours? That is the question. So, required speed to cover the distance. Required speed to cover the distance is equal to same distance it's going to cover, but time changes. In 2.5 hours, it has to travel this many kilometers. So, what is the speed? Definitely, because in the beginning it took 4 hours, no. Now 2.5 hours it has to take, but it should covers the same distance. So, definitely speed will increase. Am I right? So, into 10 by 25. 25 is going 8 times, 8, 9 times. So, going 9 times, 225, 156 times. Okay. So, 96 kilometer per hour. So, what is the question? What percent should the speed of the car be increased? So, percentage of increase is equal to, this is increased percentage minus previous speed is what? 60 by 60 into 100. Am I right? What is that? 36 by 6 into 6 times. So, percentage, increased percentage is equal to 60%. Correct option A. Thank you.